Guys, we're rolling up at Sam's. Alright guys, it's got a 13 amp motor, 21 psi initial discharge. Under typical load, it's going to be 1800 psi. It's got a 34 ounce foam cannon, so you can put your soap in here. 3 quick connects. They come at 0 degrees, 15 degree spray, and 40 degree spray. Got a utility bristle. It's got a wheel and rim brush. It's got a turbo nozzle. Got a 20 foot high pressure hose. Quick connect lance. Instant start squeeze handle. Total stop system. So I guess it shuts off the power when the trigger is not engaged to save energy. Got an onboard hose storage. So it's got a hook. The gross weight is 23.6 pounds. All right. It's got a 2-year limited warranty. The brush. Water on. Well, that's what it looked like before. That's what it looks like after. Got a little deer guts on your tailgate? Got you. So I wanted to come back when this was dry and just to show you, this is just water, no detergent added. So I just did a section to give you a comparison, but it really cleans up the brick very well. Here's this little SUNJOE. SUNJOE, about $100. Got mine at Sam's. So tell me what you think. If you like it, hit the like button, subscribe, and of course we'll see you on the next video. All right, take care.